First, he brought you the world-shattering Deplanetizer. Then, the soul-crushing Bio-Obliterator. Now, here to reveal his most terrifying, diabolical, and just downright nasty invention. Give a big warbot welcome to your favorite evil overlord, Dr. Nefarious!
Huh? Thank you all for coming to my latest evil product launch!
Wait, we had a choice.
Mindless minions, behold! My most fearsome and dangerous weapon yet! The Portalizer! Patent pending, all rights reserved.
Portalizer? I have a bad feeling about this. You and me both, sister. You and me both.
With this device, I can rip portals in the very fabric of time and space, even into other dimensions.
Oh, no. Oh, yes! Come on, let's get closer.
Are you out of your mind, Ratchet? Get back here! Ratchet, come back! It's gonna be dangerous!
No, Ratchet.
Such as the dimension of man-eating kittens, the land where robots grow body hair. I'm guessing the Calamari Quadrant? And finally, a domain brimming with creatures so ruthless, so blood-sucking, so terrifying, they'll make your head spin. My most recent discovery... Zed! I told you to make sure this thing was charged up.
Did you calibrate it properly, sir?
Calibrate it properly. I'll calibrate you.
But did you set it to interdimensional instead of local?
Oh. Of course I set it to interdimensional. As I was saying, the Pizzaverse!
The pizza what now?
Did he really just say the Pizzaverse?
Now, say hello to a 367-topping pizza.
Now that's a pizza. Ratchet, wait.
Ratchet? Lara, no offense, little sister, but your boyfriend is really annoying sometimes. Yeah, sometimes Ratchet is annoying, especially when stuff like this. I know that better than anyone. But he really does mean well. Let's just stop him before he does something really reckless, okay? Well, okay, little sister. That I can do.
Disgusting. No matter, with this Portalizer, I can access every corner of the multiverse. Each dimension, a smorgasbord of minions to add to my nefarious ranks. To help me conquer and rule all dimensions! And it comes with his handy lanyard.
Lanyard.
Hey, Ratchet and Clank! Seize them!
Ratchet, what are you... Oh.
Less talky, more escapey.
There is no escaping! Wait, is that even a word?
It is now.
See you later, suckers!
And we're back.
Well, no duh, Ratchet. Way to blow it. Sis, if you're gonna argue with Ratchet, can you at least wait until we escape? Yeah, sure, little sister. You're just lucky I came prepared with my kunai.
Somebody annihilate them! Enough slap and tickle! Find them!
There they are, sir.
My Portalizer! No!
Oh, Janice.
Oh, Les! I don't care if you are my best friend's evil twin brother.
Yes, that was the best escape ever.
Well, that escape was pretty crazy for my taste. Not to mention reckless and dangerous. Oh, come on, Kylie. It wasn't that bad. And besides, didn't it feel great when you knocked Dr. Nefarious' blaster out of his hand with your kunai? Well, maybe just a little.
Uh-oh. A checksum of my coupon storage indicates an error. I now have only 9 units, not 10.
Really?
Only 9 coupons? Oh no. Aw man, now this bites.
Oh, wow. I mean, you must have lost one of them during our awesome escape. Well, that's too bad.
It is far worse than bad. With only 9 coupons, free pizza acquisition is no longer an option. Oh, this never would have occurred if we did not detour from our mission.
Ah, come on. That was so cool, though. And now we get a great pie in the Pizzaverse.
My distress is not about the pizza, Ratchet. It is about my failure to complete a numerical task.
You want numbers? How about 367 layers of deliciousness?
Ratchet, are you serious? You can't even use a portalizer. You don't even know how it works.
Stop this, Ratchet. This device is too unpredictable and dangerous to be used for...
Pizzaverse, here we come! It's so beautiful.
You want pizza so bad, Lombax? Well, too bad.
Hey, but pizza! No, come back! Wait, Clank, what are you doing?
Initiating control override.
Well, Ratchet, you see me I'm mad, but tip for the future, do not mess with Kylie's sunrise beam. Got that right, little sister. Too bad, so sad, Ratchet. This is your punishment.
What? Cut it out!
Portaling into an unknown dimension could imperil the entire galaxy.
Clank's right. And you were willing to go through all of that just to get a pizza?
Pizza?
With 367 toppings, now give me back the control of my ship!
Ratchet, I don't usually do this, but you did ignore me and Clank's request today. Which is exactly why I asked Clank to take control of the ship, making him the new operating system. So we'll return control of the ship once we deliver the portalizer to the authorities.
This is about you losing that coupon, isn't it?
No, it's about me and Clank saving our galaxy.
See.
Yeah, no, you know what I mean.
Oh, then enlighten me, Lombax. What exactly is that supposed to mean?
You and your numbers and functions and rules. Yeah, I mean, it's amazing we get anything done when someone keeps getting his little metal panties in a bunch.
Invalid data. I do not wear undergarments. Metal or otherwise.
I absolutely mean no offense, Clank, but they really wouldn't look good on you. No offense, but they just really wouldn't look good on you. It's no trouble, Clank. Don't worry. Besides, I think if there's anything my first boyfriend, Jack Atlas, learned about me, it's to never get on my bad side, which is something everyone else should be aware of.